Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're filming from our new salon. It's still under construction, so don't mind the mess behind me. We should be done in several weeks, so I'll give you guys a quick little update in the next video or the video after about the progress we're making and when we're gonna open up. But today we're gonna talk about Olaplex. They have a new product that came out. It's the number 0. And I've been getting a lot of emails and questions about how to use this properly. So quick little breakdown. Olaplex is a bond builder. You have disulfide bonds in your hair that get damaged when you chemically treat your hair or color or lighten your hair. So what Olaplex does is helps repair and protect those disulfide bonds. So let's take a look at the number 0. Here it is right here. This comes with a bonus 3 and has an applicator on top. You saturate your hair roots to ends. So this is a pre-treatment. So you're gonna do this on dry hair. And make sure your hair's not too dirty. Like make sure like maybe 1 or 2 days into your blowout, it's not like a week-long blowout because you want to kind of, you don't want to have too many oils or just have your hair too dirty where this can't penetrate properly. You're going to saturate your hair roots to ends, like I said. One tip I got from one of my customers was they put this into a spray bottle. It was easier for them to spray and saturate their hair rather than kind of use that applicator and get it roots to ends. So after this step, right, you're gonna go to the number 3, but you're gonna wanna leave this on your hair for about 10 minutes. Don't rinse it, don't do anything. Then you're gonna add the number 3, like I just said. The number 3 was their first product. This is like a hair mask. This is going to help rebuild, restructure, remoisturize those disulfide bonds and your hair's cortex. That's where your color lies. That's where your lipid layer is. That's the part of the hair that really takes the brunt of the punishment when you're bleaching your hair out. Yes, your cuticle layer does too, but once you start breaking down the structure of your cortex of the hair, that's when the damage gets a little more irreversible. So step 0, then step 3, okay? Steps 1 and 2 are done in the salon by your stylist. Then following the step 3, you're gonna wanna shampoo it out. And that's when you use the step 4. It's a shampoo, emulsify in your hands, lather it up, shampoo your hair. What I recommend is 2 shampoos. So you're gonna do a light shampoo at first just to break up the dirt, break down some of the oils in your hair. Then once you rinse that out, you're gonna use the step 5. Step 5 is just a conditioner. It's almost a weaker version, I'd say, of the step 3. So you're not gonna wanna use the step 3 every single time you do your hair unless your hair is really compromised. And then after that, you're gonna wanna maybe spread that out to maybe once a week, once every other week, and you're pretty much gonna be using your 4 and 5 the most of the time in the shower. After you're done with your hair care routine, you're gonna jump on to styling. And so what Olaplex came out with was your number 6. I believe they came out with that a few years ago. And your number 6 is a smoother. So the number 3, the number 0, I feel really protect and go into your cortex for those disulfide bonds. And then your number 6 is gonna help smooth out that cuticle layer. So you have 2 layers of the hair. Quick little hair anatomy class. Your cuticle layer, actually you have 3. You have your cuticle, your cortex, and your medulla, but don't worry about the medulla. Some people actually don't have that in their hair. It's your cuticle layer, which is similar to, think of shingles on a roof. They kind of lay on top of each other, and then they open and close to allow color in or color out, or a keratin in or a keratin out, or whatever chemical you're using on your hair at that time. If you are over processing your hair, you can actually blow that cuticle layer off of your hair. That's why your hair looks split or fuzzy as well. Now, when you damage your cortex, right, where those disulfide bonds are, the main structure of your hair, that's when you get breakage. So by using steps 0 through 5, right, you're gonna actually be repairing your disulfide bonds and you're gonna be smoothing out your cuticle layer and repairing that surface of the hair as well. Now, the number 6 and the number 7 are very similar into what they do to your hair, I would say, but the 7's an oil or a serum and the 6 is cream based. So a lot of my clients prefer the 7 over the 6, but it's totally personal preference, up to you. And you can even use both if your hair is really shot. So any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below. You don't need to do all the steps every single time, like I said. If your hair isn't really that damaged, you can get away with just using the 4 and the 5 and the 7. It's totally up to you. Mix and match. Ask your stylist if they're familiar with Olaplex, what may be best for your hair. And like I said, any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. If you prefer to email me, I'm nick@brickandmirrorbeauty.com, or you can reach out to me on Instagram @nickmirabella. I've been getting a ton of messages lately for some of my color videos, so if I don't get back to you right away, stalk me like a crazy girlfriend and message me, email me, do what you gotta do to get an answer from me. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'd appreciate it if you click subscribe and share this video if it brought you any value, or tag a friend in it, and I will see you guys next time, all right? Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.